In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create NFT collection with Canva. We'll design a clean, square artwork in Canva and get it ready to download in a format that works well for NFTs. I'll keep it simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. First, head over to canva.com. On the home page, click Create to start a new design. For NFTs, a square canvas works best. You can type logo to quickly open a square layout, or choose a custom size if you have specific dimensions in mind. Many creators use high-resolution squares, but the key is keeping it 1:1:1 so your art looks great on marketplaces. Open a logo template to get a solid starting point. Templates save time and give you a base you can fully customize. Once your canvas opens, change the background color. Pick a color that fits your collection's vibe and ensures good contrast with your graphics. If you plan multiple pieces, consider a consistent palette so the collection feels cohesive. Next, go to Elements. Search for a logo, illustration, or graphic that matches your theme. Click See All to browse options in that style, then insert the element you like. You can also upload your own image if you've created assets elsewhere. Resize and reposition the graphic by dragging the corners and moving it around the canvas. Use Canva's smart guides to keep things centered and balanced. Return to Elements to find a second supporting element, something that complements the main graphic without stealing attention. Insert it, resize it, and reposition it until the composition feels balanced. Make sure every element is clearly visible and not touching the edges, which helps your artwork feel polished. Click Elements again and choose Shape. Add a square shape to create a frame, backdrop, or highlight area. Resize the square and then position it behind your graphics using the position controls, moving it backward until it sits underneath. Align everything so it feels intentional, and change the square's color to match or contrast your palette. Subtle color shifts or transparency can help your main subject pop. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download. Select a file type. For NFTs, PNG is a strong choice, especially if you want a transparent background, while JPEG keeps file sizes small. PDF can be useful for print, but PNG or JPEG is usually best for minting. Name your file clearly and download it. Repeat this process with small variations, colors, elements, or backgrounds to build out your full collection.